It works the best. So what you're gonna do is, you're just gonna kind of take your boat with you. You're gonna walk into the water slowly. Once you get far enough,
Mr. Going down, down, down.
you're literally just gonna plop your butt in. It's not pretty. It's not pretty. Just fall in, and once you fall in, you guys will be just off. And you'll be good.
Oh, I don't need my shoes on.
I'm gonna just.
My shoes are gonna get wet.
Come on, it's cold. Up and stuff. Your feet are probably gonna get wet anyway. Yeah. Right hand side. When you see that Kemba.
Kemba is gone.
Do you remember those purple flags?
Yeah.
That's where you guys get off. You're gonna
Okay.
see them kind of on the shore like this one here.
You hear that?
Once you see those flags, that's where you get off. Okay? It's where your car is.
All right.
If there happens to be none of us there, you can just leave all your stuff at the shore
And go.
and you guys can leave.
Awesome.
We should have someone there, but in the case we're helping other customers and no one's there,
Get
you
out
can
the
just leave
boat.
all your stuff.
Carly, want to take one picture with your phone? With your phone.
Watch your feet go nice and slow.
Take me a picture. I say, yeah, take one picture. We're coming, Kemba.
Get out! Right.
Kemba never listen. Oh, sorry. Why? Why? What a fool. Bag in front. All set.
Alright, I hope
Thank
you guys
you.
have a great time.
Oh my God! Stay to the right! Move! Yeah, push me back! Yeah, push me back! Watch them! They're gone, left us. Like, this is ridiculous. What? You can do it. Guys, welcome back. You know your girl like a paddle boat for the first time. Like a paddle boat. Hey, your pussy went to that paddle boat and a joke. She do it better like a half of boat. Watch them. Come on, Tinat. Come. I'm gone. We're going, guys. We're going. Kemba, you're gone. What? Me I go wrong way. Me I go wrong way. Businesswoman. She ever walk, you see watch him. I can't paddle. He walk, I can't. Watch it. Mama, come. Kafaya is chilling with us. Leave her alone. You left us. You left us.
Get out the door. Stand up, lady.
Auntie, not the far behind, you know, Mama.
You're the far ahead. Come take the picture, mom.
Come here, Mama. Let me take a picture. Don't say forward. Watch them try to figure it out. Kafaya, you're eating? Oh my God! You're really Kemba's child. Kemba is a big foodie. Carly, that way behind now. And I know she not get to take my picture. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's a girl Jam Buckle. Yeah! Watch your mama come! Welcome back to my channel. You know me, I'm a friend them, family and everybody at Chill Out. Look at this. Like, fully enjoy the video because I pay foolishness I go on.
Jamila, ready?
Smile.
Jamila, me a go.
No, we don't want to go over there. Paddle.
I'm just waiting here for you guys.
You're lying, you're stuck.
I can get unstuck very easily.
Okay, well, not me. So, we're not going over there. Excuse Miss Crocodile Dundee over there.
Amelia, you're coming over here and I just told you not to.
I'm sorry. I don't listen properly.
Yes, we know.
But Kemba stubborn too.
That we know too.
Now I'm gonna
We finally caught up to Kemba, guys.
time and I wasn't even paddling.
Take a picture with your daughter.
Oh, we got
Come on. I'm finally moving.
Oh, we're stuck now. We're not stuck. We're just going a bit faster.
You're doing good, Papaya.
Whoa. Fucking stone. Fucking rock. Lick me way. She finally come out and he's stuck. How fuck are you? Me never know she could have come out. Me never know she could have come out. Stuck in stuck. Expect for happen. She ever panic, you see? You're outside.
It's the only reason I didn't get out because we're in water.
Me know kind of jump out. Watch the fireman a pro at it. Come Kemba. Watch Miss Teacher. Watch the teacher. Watch the teacher. Kafaya, you want Kafaya, Kemba go.
I'm paddling. I'm doing my workout.
We're gonna make it up in the gym.
She's doing her workout right now.
Yeah. Arms day. I'm paddling. You're not. I don't know what you're doing.
Me have video your paddle so you can go watch it later.
Okay.
Okay, lighter? Yeah. See? Kafa is a good instructor.
What do you mean don't paddle hard? How are you supposed to go? My paddle's broken.
Lord of his mercy, double video.
We should do
We're
it.
going at the end. Come on, let's get out of here.
No, you're not going in the water.
So much Kafaya.
Now we're gonna be stuck.
No, because I'm getting out of this. I'm getting out of this. Yeah, you
There's nothing in the bottom of the water.
I put a seaweed in the back of my water.
Pure river stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go paddle now.
Oh, that Junior?
So I'm stuck in the corner again.
I gotta get out of here. Sorry, guys.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye. Bye. Where's the
It's
junior, Jamila?
It's not.
Hi, Junior. Hi, Junior.
It's not a good idea, Jamelia.
I don't think you should unhook.
The paddle.
Fire.
Why? Kafaya is tired.
Yeah, alright.
But the point is, you're gonna be stuck in a circle.
Again.
I don't know why you unhook the fire.
Why me go? Let me hook to you.
You're the baby. That's why Kafaya has to take.
I am turning. I am turning.
She's smaller than you, but she's paddling you.
They are gone, leave me. Look at that. All of them. I'm the only one here. I'm the only one back here. Look at them. I'm not happy. I don't know how to freaking paddle, so it's like it's awful. Yeah, make your ear, yo. I'm not happy. Oh, we have 2 hours of paddling. Oh, I caught up to them. Thanks to Kafaya.
Wait, don't leave me now.
Don't leave me.
And then you're gonna get stuck behind again because you're way at the edge. But there's no rocks over there, so that's okay.
What?
Yes, because we were slow and I kept on going around in circles.
Like what we're doing right now?
Yeah. And then a lady said, "You don't sit back and paddle." I don't sit back.
I'm gone. Bye. What's not sabak? He's our back. True. Jump on in, girl. Girls, it's a long walk back.
Me have to get rides around because I can't paddle. Oh, now Ukan. Kafaya, you don't want Ukan too. Go forward until that's where she drop out. That's okay. Oh, yeah, Ukan too.
Come, Kemba. I don't know why you say Kemba for. We're all up together. I remember what Jamelia said.
Kafaya want to do it.
Hold this.
Kemba, go left for Nina.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to stop now. I didn't realize I was far away from them.
Right to the bottom.
You're not afraid of wait now, Kylie?
I'm waiting on you guys.
And that's why I'm come out.
We are waiting.
Kafaya, forget hook to me.
Why would Papaya hook to you? You don't do anything.
Kylie! Mr. Kafaya hook to me. Kemba said, why Kafaya hooking to me and I don't do anything? I don't know how to paddle.
Left, right. Okay. You gotta do it at the same time, right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, push.
Welcome. Kafaya, hook on to me, Kafaya.
No.
Come, hook on.
No, I'm fine.
Get me to Kafaya, get me to Kafaya, get me to Kafaya. No, she a paddle. She a paddle. Kemba paddle. Kemba no want to hook on. Kemba paddle. Kemba, you're dangerous. Wait. We're all hooked on, right, Auntie Nats? Lucy? Calvin, we turn over. I made it. So now go paddle now, like a paddle boat.
Why is
go.
That's what's happening. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah. It's great.
We're all hooked together. And the leader like to struggle. Got your leader, mama.
What did you say to me at the middle and struggle?
No.
What are you doing?
Say it again, come on, say the patois. The leader hour.
Struggle. What are you doing?
Say wagwan. Say wagwan.
Okay, that's taking it too far. No, I'm not saying that.
Come on, say wagwan.
No.
Why not?
We're not Jamaican.
You're Trini. It's supposed to sound good. Tell me something in Trini.
What do you want to hear?
Let me say something in your language. What? What you say, Tinat?
Jamelia, don't touch your father head.
What?
Well, you know what, Papaya? When I was in Trinidad, my dad said, what did he say, Papaya?
Which one?
He was talking about me, how I'm just like my mother.
Say like how he said it.
He was like, she just like she mother.
Kamba.
Leader straight again.
What the hell?
Why aren't you guys paddling?
Because you're leading that way. Why we should paddle with you that way?
I was going straight at one point.
Jamelia behind you as the second driver, not doing nothing.
Alright, may I help now? Yeah, go there, mama. I think that's all I'm paddling. Don't let it go. Paddle and lead. No, you don't need to paddle.
Jamelia, you need to paddle.
Me a paddle.
You're not paddling.
Me a paddle for Auntie Nats. That's not what I buy you. Yeah, who can't do it, Kemba? Me call it lead. Mama heavy. What did he say? What son I said? Thick ass. But the birthday I give that son I said, I don't know this word.
He was reading the tag for the gifts.
Oh.
So now I was reading the tag. So now I was reading the tag. So my pillow tickers.
No, but he said thick as. Carly, cause you thick.
Oh, okay. Wait.
So when son I read it, I was like, I don't know this word. I don't know who is thick. Who is what? And I said what? Thick as. Roll mama thick as. Which cafe are relaxing?
Jamelia is not working, but no.
Cafe, you can't lie for me. No, sir. Yeah, man, we gotta be prepared for mud road. Remember, say we not stop go gym, you know, we live a gym now. We're a gym rat. We are gym rat, we live a gym now. So which part this carrier go? Which bridge this?
Where are we?
Excuse me, which bridge is this one? Which bridge is this one?
I'm not sure, sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Where are we?
That is so funny. Papaya, do you know where this one is?
No. Maybe look on my map real quick.
On your map?
Yeah. It just says we're on the Grand River, that's all.
Oh, there's a big bush in the middle right there.
Oh boy.
We are gonna angle it. We are gonna angle it real good.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Jamelia, paddle.
I'm going to paddle.
Paddling now. As in, with one hand.
Okay, I'm paddling.
It's just in the water.
Oh my God, we're moving. All right, leader.
Whatever.
I say Kemba couldn't lead.
No.
didn't say
lead.
anything like that.
Yes, you were. I was just mysterious. I'm very purposely sometimes.
Kimber's like, I'm over y'all.
You were a leech. That's right.
Suck on. Everyone, everyone call it the antenna today, no?
Listen, back there, you didn't see I was spinning around in
Mr. Ray, catch Carly, let's go, Carly.
As soon as I got in backwards, I'm like, what the hell? Nope. I saw where this was going and I took it by the foot.
Yes, guys, come to an end. Thank God. This was good. This was a good exercise. No gym, but we work out.
Yeah. And it was good bonding time, guys.
I know. The ending over there, so. We're home. Nobody not tell like me. I'm tired and hungry and stressed out. We're home. I enjoy my time with y'all. I will do this again and again and again. Whenever y'all want to do anything, just hit me up. You know I'm ready. Exit.
You want to go into the bush now?
Not right now. I don't want to go into the bush.
Wow,
We love nature. It's now 11:58. Hopefully, put let me have the phone. Four. Now, you know, I do my little ending for my video. We make it.
They're supposed to come pull us in.
Where are they?
Oh,
We have to go walk in.
that's their job.
We're here, guys. Didn't hear we? Hi. We need help.
No, we don't need help, Camellia.
Come on, then and push me out. Come out and pull me out. See, we are going past the exit. Watch ya. I want to go.
I'm pushing myself this way. No.
Bombaras blood clot.
See, that's what you get for not using your paddles.
Up here, inside the body sitting.
Do this again.
Oh, you take a picture?
Video.
I'm tired.
I think I want a picture.
Okay,
No,
it's a
no,
picture. Wait, let me get out, guys.
Can I get a picture of me?
I didn't want to take me one.
Let me know what it
All right.
is. For the drive.
This was so much. You know what I said? Fun. We will do it again. Kemba, swim like a swim. Look how Kemba soak.
I came out and then I put my bum in and then water got in.
Carly gotta go. Well, I'll see y'all. Oh yeah, have your keys. Yeah, like up on the boat. Hey, she do the better like I have a boat and a. Let's go home now. That was it. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our peoples. Yeah, we will enjoy ourselves. Have a good body workout.